how to title your worksheet. If you want to title your worksheet, first of all, mark this says workbook. When you click workbook, you can see that is just the default name. So for you to do that, you come to Excel or Microsoft button, you click, you see save as, you come up Excel worksheet. Now you choose the folder where you need that to be. Let's use Duru. You click here, you say open. Now you have one saved already, so you click here, you clean, you type, so you say save. It's done. Come back here, you see that's good, which means your worksheet have been titled, and in future works you can now say save and no more save as. Thank you as you watch. Subscribe to Let's Roll. Feel good, feel cool good, chillin'.